Fiber laser technology is ideally suited to code on harder materials like plastic or metals. Domino's F-series fiber lasers can be adjusted to apply a label either by engraving or by creating a color change to keep the surface of the material intact. Designed for high-speed production and with optional IP65 protection against harsh environments, Domino's fiber lasers are an ideal solution on beverage and food canning lines. Precision and high code quality are further key benefits of the F-series and much appreciated for direct parts marking in the electronics or automotive industries. F-series fiber laser printers enable you to permanently mark your products with utmost precision and quality. When modern production needs more than a printer, Domino offers a complete solution, including our R-series code inspection, options for automation, printer communication, and cloud connectivity. A simple, fast, and safe solution for your application.